shithead! That's a cutoff. Don't run the red. Here he goes, running the red. Turd. Yellow, red. You're in the red. Why that today, huh? Go. You didn't stop. I'm so sorry if I'm holding you up. I really am. Driver's school car. Stop tailgating. You know those fuckfaces are gonna stop at the stop sign up here, right? If you weren't tailgating, you wouldn't have to be breakdancing. You know that? Oh, you didn't stop. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. What are you doing? What the fuck? What the fuck? Toyotard! That was a cutoff. That's a Toyotard. There's no left turn out of that parking lot. She got the wrong side too. Stop. Gee, don't fucking hit me. Stopping too? Do you want to stop? No. Wake up, stupid. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Left turn back. Thank you. Oh, suck. I could have made that. That was close. Sorry, princess. Yes, you know. It's red. It's red. It's red. Your light is red. Thanks. Stop. Truckers keep America rolling through stop signs. Why did you jump into the left lane? No left turn. No U-turn. No left turn. No left turn. Fucking moron. No left turn means no U-turn also, you dumbass. Thank you. Roll the stop. Yeah. Roll the stop. Stop. I think you ran that. No turn on red. You look like you're going to turn on red when it's a no turn on red. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're doing it. Why the hell did I come for? That's a no U-turn, dummy. Cut off, exit regret, right turn regret, whatever, something. That was an exit dive. Oh, hello. Okay. That was a cutoff. That's a cutoff. Hey, 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 that was red. You're in a red area, you little shit. You're not gonna stop. Why did I know that was gonna happen? Don't do it again. There you go. Okay. Stop, stupid. Stop. That's it. Thanks, scumbag. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. I don't know if that was a sorry wave or a finger, but fuck you either way. It's nice enough to move over and let you in. What the hell is this? Don't hit me. Thank you. He's going in the red, he's going in the red. You're in the red. Folks, maggot.